Hello, first grade. This is Mrs. Ball with our Wonders Reading Series, Unit 3, Week 1, Day 3 reading lesson. Our standards are SL 1.1a. Follow agreed upon rules for discussions, listening to others with care, speaking one at a time about the topics and text under discussion. RF 1.3c. No final E in common vowel team conventions for representing long vowel sounds. RF 1.3G, recognize and read grade appropriate irregularly spelled words. RL 1.3, describe characters, settings, and major events in a story using key details. And L.1.1e, use verbs to convey a sense of past, present, and future. Our I can statements: I can take part in group discussions. I can use long vowel spelling patterns. I can read irregularly spelled words. I can describe characters, settings, and events in a story. I can use verbs to show when something happens. Our essential question is, how do we measure time? So how do we know that time has passed? We use a clock or a watch or any device that tells time, such as a computer or a cell phone. Let's review vocabulary words. Calendar, a chart that shows the days, weeks, and months in a year. Juan looks at the calendar to count the days until Thanksgiving. How might you use a calendar? Occasion, a special time or event. Sometimes we celebrate a special occasion with a party. What is your favorite special occasion? Right here, we see Christmas. Christmas is a special occasion. Weekend, Saturday and Sunday. There is no school on the weekend, so the children stay home and play. What do you do on the weekend? Immediately. You do it right away without waiting. When the mouse saw the hungry cat, it immediately ran into its hole. What do you immediately do after you wake up? Schedule, a timetable showing when things will happen. According to the bus schedule, the last bus leaves at midnight. According to our school schedule, what do we do after we eat lunch? Phonics. Let's blend the words. I'll blend a few, and then I will help you blend some on your own. Remember, we have super E. So E is going to make A say its name, and A and E are both vowels, which is why they are in red. All right? Ache, wake, ate, late, A's, gaze, ate, Nate. And it's a capital E, and so we know that that is someone's name. Ache, take. All right, now it's your turn. Tape. Apes. Lane. Game. Gate. Date. Make. All right, let's look at this one. Do we have an E at the end? No. All right, so we know the vowel is going to be short. Pull and plan. All right, now, do we have an E at the end now? Haha, so this time A will say its name. Plane. Plane. Does this have an E at the end? No, so we know that the vowel is short. And van. Now it has an E. So now the vowel is long. Ain, vain. Okay, we have CH. CH says ch, ch. Ace, chase. All right, SH says shh, shh. Ape, shape. Let's read the sentences. Jane chases Tate to the lake. Dave ate some grapes for lunch. Let's look at our structural analysis, contractions with not. We have two words, is, not. I want to make it a contraction. It's going to become isn't. Now what happened? We moved the N over so it looks like one word. We got rid of the O and we replaced it with an apostrophe. Isn't is a contraction, which is a word made by putting two words together. Isn't is a shorter way of saying is not. The apostrophe stands for the letter O in not. This letter was removed when the contraction was formed. Are not becomes aren't. Was not becomes wasn't. Were not becomes weren't. Has not becomes hasn't. Have not becomes haven't. Cannot becomes can't. Let's look at our high frequency words. Say the word. Away. Now. Some. Today. Way. Why? All right, these are some review words. Around. By. Many. Place. Walk. Let's read the sentences. Why are you going away now, Duck? I have some things to do with Frog. I am on my way to the pond. All right, let's look at grammar. We have been learning about verbs. And verbs are words that show actions. In other words, it is what you do. A verb is a word that shows action. What is the bird doing? Flying. He's flipping or jumping. He's walking. And he's eating. So all of these are things that can be done. Let's look at our mechanics, commas in a series. When a writer uses 3 or more verbs in a row, there is a comma after all but the last verb. So let's correct the sentence. Nate will mix, bake, and sell cakes. So he's going to do 3 things. So we need to make sure that we have our commas in the appropriate places, or the words are going to look as if they are combined. So he likes to mix, bake, and sell cakes. So we need a comma where? After mix, after bake. Very good. My pup drinks, eats, licks, and plays all day. Okay, so what does the pup do? Drinks, so we need a comma after drinks. Eats, we need a comma after eats. Licks, okay, and plays all day. We need a comma after licks because this time we have 4 things that the pup does. All right. Thank you for joining me today. Make sure that you complete today's assignment, and I will see you next time.